the Matrix Search tab, you can search all listing types: residential, residential income, residential rental, lot and land, also known as vacant land, commercial listings, and even boat docks. A cross-property search will include results of all of the above listed property types. By selecting public records, you can search for homes that have never been listed in the MLS. You can search for agents and offices. You can search by property ID number, and you can even search for a property's history. The functionality of all search forms in Matrix work the same across the entire database. All the search forms are set by default to search for active listings, but you can easily change that by clicking on the check mark to remove a selected status. Placing a check mark in the other status fields, you can choose how far back you want Matrix to look for that listing type. The default setting is 0 to 120 days. This can be changed in two different ways. You can highlight or edit the number of days you want to look back, so we could change that to 90, for example. Or you can click on the calendar icon and select a date range. For example, if I wanted to search for listings back to January 1st, I use the back arrow to move to January 1st. Then I can select the right arrow, which will move forward. I can select today's date, for example, and then click OK. Now my search will return results, in this case with listings that are pending with contingencies since January 1st. Some fields in the search form are multiple choice. If you use a PC, hold the Control key on your keyboard and click on all of your selections. If you use a Mac, you'll hold down the Command key. The multiple choice fields also have control buttons at the bottom. Waterfront description shows all three available buttons. Here, I can select bay and canal, and if I select the and button, my results will only include those homes that include both bay and canal water frontage. I can change that button to or, and now my results will include homes that are on a bayfront or canal frontage. If I select the not button, my listing results will include all types of water frontage except for bay and canal. Some fields in the search form are text fields. The check marks by the triple zeros means by default Matrix assumes you're looking in the thousands of dollars. That means if I'm searching for a $400,000 home, I only have to enter 400. List price and current price are interchangeable. You don't have to enter an amount in both fields. In the price field, you can enter an exact dollar amount, as we see here, $400,000, but this can limit your results because it will only return listings that are priced at exactly that amount. You can add a plus sign. This will return listings that are priced at $400,000 or more. You can add a minus sign that will return listings that are $400,000 or less, or you can search a price range. For example, we could search $375 to $425, and that's probably your best option. Many of the fields in the search form work exactly like the price field. For example, in living area, I can search for a 2,000 square foot home, 2,000 square feet or more, 2,000 square feet or less, or I can search 1,800 to 2,200 square feet. Some of the fields in the search form have a drop-down arrow, and they're typically yes or no questions. For example, do I want my results to return homes with a private pool? Yes or no. Anytime a criteria doesn't matter when you're searching for listings, simply leave the field blank. In conclusion, regardless of the search form you select, the functionality, how it works, is consistent across Matrix.